Hello and welcome to my presentation for my ELS application. In Year 12, I was house captain and used this role to encourage sustainable practices within my school. I took the initiative to start a set of sustainably based projects and worked with senior staff to create a strategic plan. Later, as prefect, I coordinated a small group of students to continue these projects after lockdown. Furthermore, I used these roles to mentor younger students. As a maths volunteer, I helped students lacking in academic confidence improve their mathematical ability. Helping these students engage with and develop a passion for maths was truly enriching. During this time, I also led my Gold DV group and organised 2 expeditions to the Lake District and the Isle of Arran, despite the challenges of COVID. I organised weekly meetings, which I continued over lockdown, to keep track of progress and to increase a sense of team spirit amongst my group. I chose my A-levels based on my 3 passions: the natural world, languages, and mathematical problem solving. Initially, I didn't know in which direction within STEM I wanted to pursue. But a turning point for me was when I discovered biomimicry and nature-based solutions, and I further explored these topics when entering the Key Thematics Prize in Engineering, which I consequently won. This was personally transformative. I discovered how natural systems and processes could serve as inspiration and be integrated into engineering solutions. I realized that through engineering, I could combine my passion for the natural world with maths and physics, deliver social impact, and actively contribute to sustainable development. Firstly, what excites me about becoming an engineering leader is that I could influence industry so sustainably driven decision-making and the use of nature-based solutions become an unquestionable norm. This would ensure we make a positive environmental impact and not just strive for net zero. My excitement to develop nature-based solutions was amplified through my internship with C-Cell Renewables. I worked on their project to develop electrified steel structures that regenerate coral reefs and protect against coastal erosion. I investigated the potential for recycled steel to be used in their structures, and I wrote low-level software to aid the development of their wireless power and data transmission electronic systems. Secondly, I'm excited to inspire younger generations of engineers through education and outreach. Being of South Asian heritage, I think I can make a big difference, especially amongst ethnic minority groups. I am also excited to collaborate with other leaders, combining perspectives to effectively tackle complex global challenges. As sustainability rep, I encourage sustainable practices amongst students, most notably through organizing and running a sustainable fashion market. I led a small team and sourced 30 student vendors to sell their vintage and handmade products, promoting slow fashion and sustainable consumerism. I'm a STEM ambassador and have delivered workshops on renewable energy and the water crisis to school children. This year, as Secretary of the Engineering Design Society, I've worked with the other committee members to organize several events, such as a careers fair and winter formal. Also, as a part of this role, I put together a seasonal newsletter celebrating the achievements of the course. Amidst the current biodiversity crisis, we can no longer afford to distinguish the built and natural environments. Instead, the built environment needs to be seen as an extension of the natural world. So firstly, I want to change the construction industry so that bio-inspired and nature-based infrastructure becomes the conventional industry practice. This would result in structures that provide habitats for wildlife, use nature-based and locally sourced materials, and embody regenerative and sustainable design. Secondly, I want to ensure sustainable development within developing countries. However, this cannot just be achieved through contributing to projects. I additionally want to promote and deliver engineering education amongst developing communities and empower them to contribute to sustainable development in their own countries. I'm excited about the prospect of meeting and learning from a group of inspirational and trailblazing individuals with the Royal Academy. I'm thrilled to discover what potential paths my personal and professional journey could take. Thank you for watching and considering my application.